Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. In the first segment of this video we will introduce you to the Perfetto 20L main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product at home. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Perfetto 20L model by Ribimex is a versatile vacuum cleaner, designed for those who love to engage in DIY projects and need reliable assistance to keep their work and living spaces clean. This device combines advanced functionalities with ease of use, making it ideal for a wide range of applications, from removing dust and debris to vacuuming liquids, thus ensuring clean environments with minimal effort. With its steel structure, the Perfetto 20L promises durability and long-lasting performance. Its 1200-watt, 230-volt motor ensures powerful suction to tackle different types of dirt, while the 20-liter container offers ample space to collect both solids and liquids, reducing the frequency of emptying. Mobility is facilitated by 4 wheels, 2 of which are pivotable, allowing the device to be easily moved in any direction without scratching the floor. This model stands out for some practical features such as its quiet operation, which at only 62 decibels allows for work without disturbance, and the filter cleaning simplified by a dedicated button. The presence of a 3-meter-long electric cable increases the convenience of use, allowing to cover large areas without the need to frequently change the plug. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.